Together, do it together, together, let's do it together. Let's stick together and build this city one step at a time. Let's stick together, and together this mountain we'll climb. Let's do it together, 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 together. Do it together, 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 together.
Perseverance through hard times, all lives intertwined. I'm talking you and I. My eyes wide in disbelief, what's on my mind? Together we can make it with patience hit all stride. From my family to yours, let's join hands. Unfold plans to try and change the forecast. Never hold back, music is the motivation. Rely on the strength of a nation to make greatness.
Let's stick together and build this city one step at a time. Let's stick together, and together this mountain we'll climb. Let's do it together, 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 together. Let's do it together, 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 together. Let's do it together.
It's time to step up and take control of the hard times. The earthquake in Haiti took so many of our lives. So let's get together, support all the Haitians. Cause if we come together, I believe that we can make it. But they all say that it takes patience. But if we're in need, then why would we keep them waiting? So let's stick together, rise up and do whatever it takes to stay strong. Let's put our minds together and build this city one step at a time.
Let's stick together,
And together this mountain will climb.
let's do it together, 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 together. Let's do it together, 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 together.
Let's do it together.
First of all, my love stretches to the Haitians. I'm sorry for your loss, really I am, and now I'm thinking how tragedy can make it transition into a masterpiece simply by just lending a hand to reach. It's time to heal the pain, make the sadness go away. For the earth can quake and never really shake our faith, okay? Hand in hand, side by side, together we will all survive. This is just a healing process, now let's progress.
From the blocks to the burbs, look people, we all hurt. When that time arises, try, pray hard and stay strong. Keeping our heads up when life gets stressful. Our time is right now, don't wait, it's on you. Tell me what you gonna do, sit around and just cry about it. We gotta stick together, ain't no need to lie about it. Government officials see it and know our issues, but life is what it is, we gotta work hard
Let's
to pull
stick
through.
together and build this city one step at a time. Let's stick together,
And together this mountain will climb.
let's do it together, 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 together. Let's do it together, 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 together.
Let's do it together.
And build this city one step at a time.
And together this mountain will climb.
Let's do it together, 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 together. Do it together, 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 together.
Let's do it together.
I just love it, huh?
Let's take it from our hearts and spread it wide.
Gotta bring this one out for my brothers and sisters, my neighbors.
We got a long road ahead.
Yeah,
Pull together, we can do this.
it's a Caribbean collaboration.
All my brothers and sisters, let the love flow, let the love show.
We gotta speak the stars. It's all about strength. Let's rise. Life, pressure, struggle, strain. Must stand together, let us shoulder the pain. Me can't dare witness blood a run down the drain. Me can't stand helpless and a half a ear.
No, I would never ever turn and walk away. When we stop and take a good look in your face. No time for waste. If I made my brother's keeper, I'm his enemy, so now I got to searching on my soul deeper.
How can I stop my heart from breaking. What can I do to ease the pain? How can I stop the earth from shaking? Searching for strength to keep me sane.
What can we do to make it better? Is it too late for us to try?
Now I rethink the things I treasure. A fragment of hope is in these eyes. We shall rise again.
We shall rise and spread our wings once again.
We shall rise again.
With the help from our brothers and our friends.
We shall rise again.
We've done it before, now we can do it once again.
We shall rise again.
Little bit of help from our family and friends.
A moment of change and now we're spinning. No warning is sent, no reason why.
We gather our strength and we all are willing.
Pull together now.
To do what it takes to save some lives. Oh no, no.
Tragedy came and really gave us a chance to show we really care. We're one and the same, we are neighbors. The burden is all for us to bear.
We shall rise again.
Oh, Jacques, let's shake it rise, rise again.
We shall rise again.
We shall rise again.
We shall rise again, coming from the bottom. Come together and let's solve the problem. Problem. Everybody got them, but them I make the money so they don't wanna solve it. And the days and the nights will fall, but I know we'll carry on. Now it's time for us to stay strong. So let's come together.
We shall rise.